This is the lecture from eSkills Zone. To benefit from the lecture, you should download the free lecture notes from eskillszone.com. Welcome students. So in this video, we will be discussing and having practice on present perfect continuous tense. In present perfect continuous tense, we have two helping verbs. The first one is has been and the other one is have been. We use first form of the verb with ing. I have some sentences here which are example for future perfect tense, and we will be converting these sentences into present perfect continuous tense. Once you know the language, once you have command over tenses, it becomes fun and you really enjoy in converting sentences from one to another. So let's start. He has been going to school. He has not been going to school. Has he been going to school? Then we have she has been eating food. And then we need to convert this one into negative. She has not been eating food. Then we have has she been eating food? Then we have I have been practicing, and then I will convert this one into negative. I have not been practicing. And then have I been practicing? Question mark. Let's see the next one. They have been visiting this mall. They have not been visiting this mall. Have they been visiting this mall? Question mark. Then we have been purchasing this property. We have not been purchasing this property. That will be have we been purchasing this property. You have been buying this ticket. You have not been buying this ticket. Have you been buying this ticket? Question mark. And then we have I have been reading this book. I have not been reading this book. And then we have I been reading this book? Question mark. Then we have she has been going for shopping. She has not been going for shopping. Has she been going for shopping? Then we have we have been reviewing this product. We have not been reviewing this product. Then we have we been reviewing this product, question mark. Then we have you have been traveling. And then you have not been traveling. Have you been traveling? Then we have she has been using this perfume. She has not been using this perfume. Has she been using this perfume? Question mark. He has been playing. He has not been playing. And has he been playing? Question mark. They have been going to restaurant. They have not been going to restaurant. Have they been going to restaurant? Question mark. Then we have been sleeping. We have not been sleeping. And then we have we been sleeping? Question mark. Then we have I shall, we'll convert this one, I have been purchasing this laptop. I have not been purchasing this laptop. Have I been purchasing this laptop? Question mark. Then we have they have been eating all the fruit. So they have not been eating all the fruit. And then have they been eating all the fruit? Question mark. Then we have she has been applying for a new job. Full stop. And she has not been applying for a new job. Has she been applying for a new job? And then we have you have been finishing this course. You have not been finishing this course. And then have you been finishing this course, question mark. And then we have they have been applying for visa. They have not been applying for visa. Have they been applying for visa, question mark. Then we have you have been opening your bank account. You have not been opening your bank account. And then we have in the end, have you been opening your bank account? And then we have she has been going to salon. She has not been going to salon. Has she been going to salon, question mark. I have been playing well. I have not been playing well. Have I been playing well, question mark. It's always fun when you practice and you always learn and you always get more confident. I hope you liked the video and you have learned from this one. I will see you next video. Bye now. This is the lecture from eSkills Zone. To benefit from the lecture, you should download the free lecture notes from eskillszone.com.